When tearing down a truck, you can use the vehicle screen in ITrack Pro to quickly enter in the parts from the vehicle. Once you've entered in the year, make, and model, go to the Teardown tab. From here, you'll see a list of potential items you can enter. Check the ones you'd like to inventory. Body parts, such as a front end assembly, will use the make and model of the vehicle. For things such as an engine, you'll want to specify the manufacturer and the model. For things such as a door, you may have both sides. Once you choose both, ITrack will automatically make a second entry for door, making one of them left and one of them right. Once you have everything entered that you'd like, press Save and Close.